Hi.
What you doing there?
Kissing Olive and working on my IT bands. They're tight.
Oh, so rolling your IT bands. So super common exercise. I have tight IT bands. And what is IT band syndrome? So let's talk about that and the components involved. And then we'll also be making a series of videos to fix those components, okay? So IT band is a band of fascia, basically, that is running from your hip down the outside of your thigh past the knee. So this controls what happens when your knee's moving side to side. And a lot of times people complain that it's tight and then they end up rolling this band. But this band is really just that. It's like a band of tissue. It really doesn't,
it's like a grocery bag.
Yeah, it doesn't really do much. A grocery bag. Okay.
Yeah, kind of like, you know, it stretches,
okay.
but you can't really fix it. When it breaks, you know?
But it's kind of like a rope, right? So it's not really active, but the components that are active in it are your TFL, your gluteus medius, and your gluteus maximus. And those are the things that we really end up dealing with in the clinic to solve IT band syndrome. So IT band syndrome, you might have lateral knee pain or outer knee pain. You might have a little bit of pain in the front outside of the hip, so right where that TFL muscle that we were talking about is.
Yeah, and it's pretty important to work on your IT band strictly because you use it all the time, right? You need it for stability when you're running, when you're walking, when you're sitting down and squatting, so a big deal.
Yeah, it restricts your motions in yoga if it's super tight. So typically why it's tight is there's an imbalance in these three muscles. So that's what we'll be talking about in the next few videos about your IT band. Stay tuned.
And how to fix it. Stay tuned.
Yes.